Want to make this Christmas unforgettable? Dive into the magic of European Christmas markets with Tradewinds Travel. Imagine strolling through twinkling markets, sipping hot mulled wine, and discovering unique handmade gifts. That's the magic of a European Christmas market river cruise, and Tradewinds Travel is here to make it happen for you. From the enchanting lights of Strasbourg to the festive cheer of Vienna, our river cruises on the Rhine and the Danube deliver the best of Europe's holiday spirit. Picture this: a cozy cabin on a luxurious river ship, gourmet meals, and waking up each day to a new festive destination. No packing and unpacking, just pure, hassle-free Christmas joy. With Tradewinds Travel, you're not just booking a trip, you're crafting a personalized holiday adventure. Our expert travel planners take care of every detail, from securing the best deals to customizing your itinerary. Plus, our exclusive offers mean you get all the magic at an incredible price. Whether you're a family looking to create lasting memories, a group of friends seeking festive fun, or a couple wanting a romantic escape, we've got you covered. Our dedicated group department ensures seamless arrangements for any size group, making your holiday stress-free and unforgettable. So why wait? Let Tradewinds Travel take you on a journey to Europe's most magical Christmas markets. Book now and unwrap the holiday adventure of a lifetime. These cruises sell out quickly, so it's never too early to book. Visit our website or call us today for a free consultation and exclusive offers. Your dream Christmas market cruise awaits. We would love for you to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel opportunities.